Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Lucky 7 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov. Difficulty level of the Lucky 7 puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 7 yellow pieces and a heart-shaped piece inside the frame. Now, as you can see, it is not possible to fit the heart-shaped piece inside. Only if you remove some of the yellow parts you will be able to fit it, but then there is not enough space to fit the rest of the yellow parts. If you take a closer look at the yellow parts, you will find that all of them have this shape of number 7 and they are all exactly the same size. The Lucky 7 puzzle is made of acrylic. It has 3 colors: red, yellow and orange. And it is quite a tricky puzzle, since, as you can see, there is not enough space inside the frame to fit all parts. At least it looks so at the first glance. Even if you try to play with the puzzle a little bit, you will find that I can probably fit, how many? It's like 5 parts inside. And already I see that there is not enough space to fit the last 2. I can try to rearrange the pieces a little bit and maybe I will be able to fit one more part inside, but then again there is not enough space for all of them. But there is a solution to this puzzle and you can try to find it if you buy this puzzle. If you like the Lucky 7 puzzle and you want to have it, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.